In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download eTrade Pro. eTrade Pro is now branded as Power eTrade Pro. It's a robust desktop trading platform designed for active traders with advanced charts, options tools, and futures trading features. So, let's dive right in and get you set up. First, open your web browser and visit the official download page by typing in the following web address: us.etrade.com/platform/power-etrade/pro. This page is your starting point to access the powerful tools that Power eTrade Pro has to offer. Once you're on the page, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, click on the option that says Log in to download now. You will need to sign in with your eTrade username and password. It's important to note that an active brokerage account is required to proceed. This step ensures that all downloads and installations are secure and tailored to your account's needs. After logging in, you'll be able to access the download options. After successfully logging in, you will see the download options for Windows or Mac. Choose the appropriate option for your operating system. Once you make your selection, the installer will begin downloading automatically. This is a straightforward process, but it's essential to choose the correct version for your device to ensure compatibility. Once the download is complete, it's time to install the platform. If you are using Windows, locate the downloaded.exe file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the file to open it and follow the installation prompts. These prompts will guide you through the process, ensuring that the software installs correctly on your system. Once installed, you can launch Power eTrade Pro from the Start menu or a desktop shortcut. This step is crucial because it sets up the software on your device ready for use. For Mac users, the installation process is similar. Open the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions. The prompts will guide you through the installation to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once installed, you can find the application in your Applications folder and launch it from there. Now that Power eTrade Pro is installed, open the app. You'll need to log in again with your eTrade credentials. As you log in, you will be asked to accept the platform's terms and conditions. Accepting these terms gives you access to the platform's full range of features. Keep in mind that some features like futures and options tools may require specific account approvals. This step ensures that you are ready to utilize the platform effectively. Finally, it's important to note that Power eTrade Pro is designed for active traders. It offers real-time data and advanced trading tools but may require enabling streaming quotes for full functionality. This separate desktop platform provides more features than the regular eTrade website or app, offering a more comprehensive trading experience. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Power eTrade Pro. Remember to explore its features thoroughly to make the most of your trading experience. Thank you for watching and happy trading.